Magkano pa ang babayaran when we redeem flights using Mabuhay Miles? First step is to log into your airline account and enable the Book with Miles button. Let's say we're booking a round-trip flight to Japan, click search. Same number of miles naman yung mako-consume, so pili ka na lang ng pinaka-bet mong travel dates. Check lang natin sa booking details. It says here may babayarang taxes, fees, and charges amounting to 108.7 USD and that 29K miles yung kailangan. May breakdown din yung charges here. Not bad na. Let's try other destination. Let's say Dubai. Kapag not enough yung miles mo, magpa-prompt naman siya ng message. I think nag-iiba-iba ng mileage requirement per destination and yung timing na din. Even the taxes, fees, and charges, nag-iiba-iba din siya. Syempre pag mas malayo, mas mahal. Best if you log in sa Mabuhay Miles account mo so you can check it for yourself. Pinakita ko lang how I do it. Sana nagkaroon kayo ng idea and